What if I told you that the secret to closing more deals, boosting team efficiency, and skyrocketing your sales performance might already be sitting in your company's tech stack, just waiting to be fully unleashed? We're talking about a tool that goes beyond just making calls, a platform that transforms communication into a strategic advantage. I'm talking about RingCentral. Now, you might be thinking, RingCentral? Isn't that just a phone system? And you wouldn't be entirely wrong, but you'd be missing a huge piece of the puzzle. In today's fast-paced sales environment, relying solely on traditional phone calls is like trying to win a Formula One race in a horse and buggy. Sales teams need agility, seamless collaboration, and a centralized hub for all their customer interactions. That's exactly where RingCentral steps in, not just as a communication tool, but as a genuine sales accelerator. Before we dive deep into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. The modern sales landscape is complex. Customers are more informed than ever. Competition is fierce, and expectations for personalized, responsive service are at an all-time high. Sales professionals are juggling leads, managing pipelines, tracking customer histories, and collaborating with internal teams, all while trying to hit their quotas. Without the right tools, this can quickly become overwhelming, leading to missed opportunities and frustrated reps. This is precisely the challenge RingCentral aims to solve for sales organizations of all sizes. It takes a comprehensive approach to communication, integrating voice, video, messaging, and even contact center functionalities into a single, unified platform. Imagine the power of having every customer touchpoint, every team discussion, and every vital piece of information accessible from one place, on any device. That's the promise of RingCentral for sales. So, how exactly are top-performing sales teams leveraging RingCentral to gain a competitive edge? Let's break it down into several key areas, starting with the most obvious: enhanced communication and collaboration. Gone are the days of endless email chains and scattered information. RingCentral's unified platform ensures that sales reps can connect with prospects and customers through their preferred method. Whether it's a quick phone call, a professional video conference, or an instant message for urgent inquiries, this multi-channel approach is crucial for meeting customer expectations and adapting to their communication styles. But it's not just about external communication. Internal collaboration is equally vital. Imagine a sales rep needing quick input from a product specialist or a marketing team member. With RingCentral's integrated messaging and video conferencing, these interactions happen in real time, eliminating bottlenecks and speeding up the sales cycle. Team huddles, deal reviews, and strategic brainstorming sessions can all happen seamlessly, fostering a more connected and efficient sales force. Next, let's talk about streamlined workflows and automation. Sales is all about efficiency. Every minute spent on administrative tasks is a minute not spent selling. RingCentral helps automate many of these time-consuming activities. Think about call logging, for instance. With integrations with popular CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot, call details, notes, and outcomes can be automatically synced, saving reps valuable time and ensuring that every interaction is recorded for future reference. This not only improves data accuracy but also provides valuable insights for sales managers. Beyond call logging, features like call forwarding, intelligent routing, and virtual receptionists ensure that no lead goes unanswered and that customers are always connected with the right person. This level of automation reduces the administrative burden on sales reps, allowing them to focus on what they do best: building relationships and closing deals. Perhaps one of the most powerful aspects of RingCentral for sales teams is its analytics and reporting capabilities. You can't improve what you don't measure. RingCentral provides robust analytics that give sales leaders deep insights into team performance. Call volume, duration, success rates, peak activity times. All of this data is readily available. This allows managers to identify trends, pinpoint areas for improvement, and provide targeted coaching to their team members. Imagine understanding which sales reps are struggling with call consistency or which messaging strategies are yielding the best results. These insights are invaluable for optimizing sales processes, refining pitches, and ultimately, boosting overall team productivity. It transforms anecdotal observations into data-driven strategies, leading to more informed decision-making. And let's not forget the crucial aspect of mobility and flexibility. In today's hybrid work environment, sales reps are rarely confined to a desk. They're on the road, at client meetings, or working remotely. RingCentral's mobile app ensures that sales teams can stay connected and productive from anywhere, on any device. They can make calls, send messages, join video conferences, and access CRM data, all from their smartphone or tablet. This level of flexibility empowers sales reps to be responsive and agile, no matter where their work takes them. Missed calls and delayed follow-ups become a thing of the past. Finally, a key benefit is the scalability and reliability that RingCentral offers. As sales teams grow, their communication needs evolve. RingCentral is designed to scale effortlessly, accommodating new users and expanding functionalities without a hitch. This eliminates the headaches of migrating between systems or dealing with fragmented communication tools as your business expands. Furthermore, its enterprise-grade reliability ensures that your sales team is always connected, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. In essence, RingCentral is more than just a communication platform. It's a strategic asset for sales organizations. It empowers teams to communicate more effectively, automate repetitive tasks, gain valuable performance insights, and stay connected from anywhere. By unifying all communication channels and integrating with essential sales tools, RingCentral frees up sales reps to focus on building stronger relationships and ultimately, driving revenue. It transforms the way sales teams operate, making them more efficient, more collaborative, and significantly more successful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.